This tutorial shows you how to create smooth animations and transitions using keyframes in CapCut. First, open the CapCut application on your Android device. Next, you'll be taken to the main screen where you can start a new project. Following that, tap on New Project to begin editing your video. Now, select the video clip you want to add keyframes to from your gallery. Moving forward, tap on the video clip in the timeline to select it. Afterwards, tap on the clip again and select Animation or Effects from the bottom menu. In addition to that, you'll see various animation options available. Once you're on the animation page, look for the keyframe option at the bottom. Subsequently, move the playhead to the position where you want to add your first keyframe. Furthermore, tap on the diamond icon or Add Keyframe button to create a keyframe. Afterwards, adjust the properties like scale, position, rotation, or opacity for that keyframe. Then, move the playhead forward to another point in the timeline. Within this section, tap on Add Keyframe again to create a second keyframe. Alternatively, adjust the properties differently for this new keyframe to create movement. Once you've added multiple keyframes, CapCut will automatically animate between them. Then, tap on the play button to preview your keyframe animation. Afterwards, you can add more keyframes or adjust existing ones by tapping on them. Then, tap on the check mark or Done to save your keyframe animation. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you add keyframes in CapCut on mobile, give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut editing tips, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.